Okay. Oh, did I step on you? Hey, let's see how you're walking. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Come on, off that lawn. No. You can't hit every street post. No. Oh my gosh. This one was a P one, huh? Oh, you guys had a little collision there. Oh, oh yeah, someone forgot to pick up their shit. No, come on. What would happen if we went on a street that didn't have mailboxes and light posts? You guys would be lost. Come on, no. Someone left the shit on the street, on the sidewalk? That's gross. I hope that was a lost dog, but not a person. That's the worst. You gotta kick that to the curb if you're not gonna pick it up. You eat poop. It must stay there for like a good 2-3 weeks. Come on. I was wondering what that was. I didn't think auto start. I gotta go away. I'm not gonna get to see you girls for a few days. I'm gonna miss the walk. Hunter will be home next week. I'll tell him to give you guys the walk. I'll show him how you guys walk and he should be able to do it. He's got patience. We haven't walked this side of the street in a while. You guys aren't as interested in the mailbox on this street. Let's see. I think you'll pass it. Let's see. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna go? Oh, that was a good sniff. Not too much though. Yeah, this street is like definitely, I don't know if you've been sniffed out or it's just not as interesting. Nope. You've never been there either. Oh. Go on. Come on. Oh, I thought that was maybe a pee from you. Couldn't have been, was too quick. And you sound like, oh no. Come on. You went around the wrong side. Let's cross now. Oh, what's that? That was a hard hit, Tofu. That was not nice. Tofu. Oh, she's hurt. No more, Tofu. No. Are you playing? Or are you mad at her? I don't understand this. Tofu. Hey! Don't you fight her. No. Stop! Stop, Tofu. Stop. 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 Go. Hey! What is up with you? Right there. Okay? Come on. No, almost. Here. Up this way. Yeah, go. This is our grass. No fighting. Hey. Stop. Hey. What? What's happening? What are you doing? Cool yourself. Cool yourself. God, Tofu. I'm like stuck. Hey, are you like... I don't know what's up with you. Oh, man. You're making her nutty now. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That was that truck.